day one of the workshop.
And I'm excited, super excited.
Yeah, I'm so excited.
I'm super excited.
One of the workshop. I'm excited.
Excited.
I'm really excited. I'm excited.
Super excited.
Really excited.
I'm super excited.
It was good. It was a little bit overwhelming to start with, but I think as the lecturer, Professor Nick, did a great job in making everything quite clearer. So yeah, I'm feeling a bit more relaxed today.
I would really encourage you guys to invest in learning and invest in education. It's amazing to be here.